This video demonstrates the wiring and setup of the Pyxis BTA-100 Bluetooth receiver and converter using a Walchem w600 controller. The BTA-100 is a single-channel Bluetooth receiver that is capable of receiving and converting a wireless signal from the LS202 ultrasonic level sensor and CR200 wireless corrosion sensor. The BTA-100 will receive, display, and convert those device signals, enabling direct wiring to any conventional wiring water treatment controller. You will be landing your input signals to terminal block 2. The red wire is 24-volt power and should be terminated to the input slot 1. The brown wire is power ground and should be terminated to input slot 2. The gray wire is 420 mA return and should be terminated to slot 3. The white wire is the general corrosion input analog signal and should be terminated to input slot 4. The pink wire is the pitting corrosion input analog signal and should be terminated to input slot 10. Finally, the green wire should be terminated as earth ground. Again, that's red to 1, brown to 2, gray to 3, white to 4, pink to 10, and green to ground. To start, directly connect your BTA-100 to your standard water controller using the 8-pin adapter. And power on the BTA-100 by pressing the power button. The rest of this video will be the general procedure for wirelessly pairing the LS202 level sensor with the BTA-100. Press the power button on the LS202. Then press the cycle button until the screen displays the MAC address. Then power on the BTA-100 and press the Bluetooth button until it is on observer mode. The BTA-100 will allow you to search for a device by the local MAC addresses. Select the corresponding MAC address by pressing the checkmark button. After the devices connect, use the cycle button to return to the LS202 reading screen. The LS202 ultrasonic level sensor and the BTA-100 are now paired and will read the same measurements.